The little dump truck. I'm a little dump truck run by Hard Hat Pete. Rattle, rattle, clatter, driving down the street. I'm a little dump truck hauling stones and rocks, bumping, bouncing, thumping, crossing city blocks. I'm a little dump truck turning at the light, slowing, braking, stopping at the building site. I'm a little dump truck parking in the road, dumping out my load. I'm a little dump truck watching workers build, forklifts lifting beams, big holes being filled. I'm a little dump truck waiting for debris, excavator scoops, dumps dirt into me. I'm a little dump truck carting out the trash, on and off, warning red lights flash. I'm a little dump truck driving down Route 10, heading for the landfill to unload again. I'm a little dump truck backing to the right, tipping down my dumper at the garbage site. I'm a little dump truck leaving through the gate, riding down the highway to another state. I'm a little dump truck stopping to get gas. Hard Hat Pete drinks coffee. Other truckers pass. I'm a little dump truck working hard each day. Back and forth, back and forth. I love my job. Hooray! The end.